Today is Thursday, 27th of April, 2023. It's not up to 10 minutes. It was contracted before. Just try and do some things with your fingers. Okay? Can you bend your head from elbow joint? Can you move it down?
Like do like this.
What did you say?
He said, okay.
He's speaking. Okay. Can you make a statement? What's the name of this city? Where are we?
Echo.
Okay. What of the state?
Echo.
Okay. Anyway, how are you doing?
Fine.
Do you have any complaint? As you can see, the hands are almost fully open. Today is May 24, 2023. I'm going to ask you, sir, to try and raise up your right hand. Do some movement. Okay.